Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today's our topic is enzyme. First of all, we will discuss about what is enzyme. Basically, enzymes are the protein which act as a biological catalyst. Here we arise a question that what is a biological catalyst and what is mean by this. Actually, catalysts are those which increase the chemical reaction, which help to increase the chemical reaction rate. In the other word, it says that we use the enzyme to increase the chemical reaction rate. These are all about the enzyme, basically the definition of enzyme. Now we move towards what is cofactor, prosthetic group and coenzyme and metal ions. Here we understand it with the help of the flow sheet because it's easy way to memorize these all terms. Here we discuss that what is cofactor. Basically, cofactor is a non-protein component of the enzyme and it has two types, inorganic cofactor and organic cofactor. Inorganic cofactor is called the metal ions. And what is metal ions? The example of metal ion is zinc metal. Zinc is a metal, so zinc ion is a metal ion. And now we discussed another type of the cofactor which is called the organic cofactors. Organic cofactor has two further types, prosthetic group and coenzyme. The organic cofactor which are tightly bound to the enzyme is known as the prosthetic group, and the organic cofactor which release after the reaction and loosely bound, it is known as the coenzyme. And here we discuss the example of the coenzyme. The example of the coenzyme is NADH positive, etc. And another thing is that coenzymes are prepared in our body. In the other word, we says that our body prepared coenzyme. And the other example is FAD and NADPH. These are all the examples of coenzyme. Here we discuss the difference between the prosthetic group and coenzyme. There are basically very common difference. Here I also write these. Prosthetic group are tightly bounded to the enzyme, while the coenzyme are loosely bounded to the enzyme. That's all about these terms. Okay, now we discuss about the structure of enzyme with the help of the diagram. Structure. Basically, an enzyme is an irregular shape. For example, if it is an shape, it's an enzyme, and here is an active site of the enzyme. It's called an active site. And if another thing is attached, such as here, it's called a substrate. And every enzyme has its specific substrate. It's all about the structure of the enzyme.